Hey, how's it going? Welcome to Brothers RC. In the video coming up, just down the local scooter park there, having a bit of fun, just messing around. And as always, my brother comes in, gets a bit serious, does a few stupid little things, breaks his car. So make sure you watch that to the end. I've got a review coming up, guys. I went and got a new WL Toys. Got a review of that coming up, so make sure you watch that one coming up. Also, like and subscribe, and enjoy the video. Catch you later. Oh, that's just beautiful. I can do this all day, guys. And this thing grips so well. Oh, that was just smooth. Whoa, sorry. Whoop. Nearly crashed into a little kid. Oh, loves it. Oh, cops on the track.
Got your grab license, mate.
Oh, yes. Oh.
Got ya. Just one ticket.
This thing just sticks to the road, man. On the track on this. Just loves it. Oh, that was nice and soft. Do that again, eh?
Oh!
Oh!
Alright, bit of rock crawling, ready? Oh! Oh!
Roly poly, he's going off. Yep.
No, no, I live.
He's in the sand.
Look, I live. Oh! Lossy, but lossy.
Oh, yeah, went straight under him.
Oh!
Oh, your back wheel's wobbling.
Oh.
That didn't take long. He was what, 30 seconds, guys?
Yeah, I need to replace those back hubs.
Yep.
I need to replace those wheels, bearings and stuff.
This thing just sticks so well. I'm loving it.
Can you fix it on it? I need to fix my car tonight, Rodney. Are you eager? Rodney, are you eager to mechanic?
Oh, really? You need me to fix your car?
Yes. You didn't see when I'm filming, guys, but I killed my car today. I need a new front end.
He breaks them, I have to fix them. I think that goes with my car as well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. I'll fix your cars if you want. Might take a while.
I wouldn't trust him to fix my car.
Oh, I gotta go get.
He doesn't even trust himself to fix his cars, so why would I let him fix my cars? Oh, what a guy, eh? Alright guys, I'm going to head over there to the grass jump and do some more jumps over there. I'll be back. That was not the perfect time to stop filming. Oh, I did it. I got it on film. I've been trying to do this little transfer from the bowl to a little lip here, and I did it on camera. Gotta love those ones. And again, oh no, yes, back on my wheels. You just nice.
They're loving the wave. Look, Rodney. Ready?
Oh.
I'm getting the wave back.
We've been chasing the kids around on the oval. Hang on. Ready? No, I won't. Can't see anything over there, so I won't worry about it.
You don't have it.
Yeah.
Oh, that will.
This thing just keeps braking and braking and braking because it's a cop car.
Yeah, that's the thread done now, right?
Oh.
I'm down to no cars.
Oh, really?
I need to fix it.
Oh, and he crashes into me, guys.
Whoa! Well, send it.
You hit a nice line here. That was a bit hard. Oh! I got that.
Did you get that?
I'm still on my wheels.
What happened?
Oh.
Oh, dog burn out.
Well,
I don't know. I got.
I seen.
It keeps coming out. Yeah. Same wheel too.
Oh, it's just gonna do that. What'd you do?
Bend it. Alright, it's fixed. It's fixable.
Let's pop that back on.
Yeah, pop that back on, guys. Easy fixy wixy.
Oh, standard. Right, let's keep going. I'm having a ball. Oh! That went around him. I don't know how I didn't hit him then. I wasn't aiming for his guys.
Got my belly earlier. Alright guys, I reckon I got one more jump in me. I'm gonna go home and place the back axle because it's threaded now. That wheel's gonna keep
Did you hear that, guys? He said he's gonna replace the back axle.
I'll fix this one, you can fix the other one.
Alright, fair call.
Do you reckon I should send it, Rod?
No. Oh, I just tumbled down the back. Oh! And it takes it.
It takes it. I sent it, guys. Just to you guys at home.
It takes it. Oh no, he's not driving off.
Oh, I am.
Oh, it is. It's fine.
This is a shredder, mate.
Ah!
What did you say about this shred?
Oh! Oh, okay, now we're even 2 for 2.
Alright, we're even on that, even on that?
Even,
Even,
brother.
sure?
Yeah.
Alright. Don't make me call the tow truck. I'm about to lose my wheel, guys, ready?
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Well.
Oh, hold on. Oh, I've snapped stuff, look.
Oh yeah, it's all broken.
I snapped risers.
Oh, you did too?
Look, underneath the riser's still connected, guys. That's what that bit that fell off was.
Oh,
I've done the front end.
And another one. Alright, well, I've broken one car.
I'm gonna get one more jump, guys.
Chatty's bro, one more jump?
One more.
Alright, you reckon he's gonna get one more? This thing just loves it.
Alright, guys.
Wait.
Oh,
yeah.
that's it.
That's it. That's
That's
over.
it. There you go, guys. Like and subscribe.
Where am I? Oh, there I am. Oh! Ah. Alright, I think that's enough. I've broken one car. Chatty's broken two for sure. So we're going to call it a day. I'm going to go home. I'm going to fix all those guys tonight and maybe tomorrow, and we'll make another video then. Alright guys, don't forget, like, subscribe. We'll see you next video. See ya.